Hi, welcome back to this week's vlog, where you'll see Steve, Maxine and Mexie continue our travels down the Coventry Canal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget you can subscribe too, it's free, and we look forward to your comments.
I think it's about 12 o'clock-ish. So we've had rain this morning, so we thought we'd wait until the rain stopped. I'm just going to fill up with water and then head to Hawkesbury Junction.
Yes, no lots today.
No. Well, unless we can't get moored this side of Hawkesbury, then we'll have to go through the little stop block.
Oh, yeah.
No, we've done that. We've been here a couple of times now, haven't we? It was our first trips out. Well, when we first moved on, wasn't we? We stopped here.
Nice little bungalow over there, you get some nice fresh eggs from.
So you found that the first time, so we nipped and got a dozen eggs yesterday, which is good.
Same old couple as had it first time was here.
That was nice. He tried to buy their tomatoes as well, but the lady said no, they're for her tea.
Well, she'd been out and picked them and put them next to the eggs for sale. So I thought, oh. So I just mentioned, them tomatoes for sale. And he was going to sell us them. Then he just asked his wife, no, I'll pick them for our tea.
Brilliant. Good job she was there. I wouldn't have had any tea.
Well, I think he was going to ask her how much it charged for them and all.
Yeah, I'll show you where the eggs are. They're just up here. So just go across to there. So just come up at the bridge here and then just walk up there.
There's no path on the road, just
yeah, be careful because it's a busy road.
walk fast.
So it's near the water, where you can get the water from CRT.
10 solar panels on there, look.
Oh, crikey.
All the roof, two at the side, probably two at the other side, don't we? How much?
Might be an electric boat.
That was about 2,000 watt.
It's probably
within that.
It could be converted.
Well, we've got 750. Yeah, that must be 2,500 more, huh?
Or he likes watching lots of telly, so he uses lots of electric. It's not as nice as it was yesterday, but touch wood.
No, it's not as sunny.
It's
Bit
chillier,
cooler.
as I say, it's a bit chillier as well, isn't it?
See if there's anybody on it.
That'll be a no, I think. Nope. That's it.
That's it then.
We fill up with water now. When you leave. You go far. Come here, please. You've got tangled. Ugh. Oh, it's not down the middle, is it?
Hey?
I said it's up in the air, it's not down the middle. Come back a minute. Back.
I'll slam it in reverse a minute, so hold on to it because it'll drag it into the middle.
Oh, wait a minute then. There's a big black cloud behind, so we thought,
Just in case.
yeah.
Scares it off, that's good.
So we just encountered a boat as we were trying to get out because it's tucked behind the bridge, so it's a bit difficult. But we're out now. And onwards we go. Should take us about 3 hours, we reckon.
They're not bad little moorhens, these, are they?
No. All right.
Place to park the car, you got a bit of grass and make to have a run round.
Yeah. So we've had a morning on the boat. I've been doing some pottery and Steve's been making some necklaces. All ready for the Brinklow Artisan Market, which we're looking forward to going to.
On the 19th.
Yeah, so this vlog will have gone out after the market. So we'll let you know how it goes. I'm hoping it. They've got lots of people going, so it should be fun.
So this is a setup at Brinklow at the artisan market that we went to, and it was really good fun seeing other people there we hadn't seen for a while as well. And these are some of the pottery bits, and Steve makes the coin jewellery, and you can order online as well if you fancy any.
So we watched Heidi on the pirate boat last night. She went through, did the Mersey, and then
Out of Liverpool docks there, yeah.
And then onto the Manchester Ship Canal. Well, next year we've decided we're going to go to Liverpool, and after watching her do the crossing, that's it now. So we're going to start planning and find everything out.
We've got to book everything
in advance. So we're going to book a pilot and get the certificate to say that the boats were, able to go across. Sorted out. Well, it'll get sorted out next year now, because obviously we don't want to do anything this year. The BSSS. Yeah, but that's nothing to do with it.
I know, but
so
that'll find anything out if there is anything.
Well, hopefully, but once we have that done, we can then contact the relevant people. But we'll book the Liverpool when we know roughly when we want to go and everything. So we're looking forward to that. That's and then go back up onto the Mac and Peak Forest for the winter next year. It should be good.
Plans can change though.
Well, they can, but
things do alter, don't they?
They do, but that's hopefully the plan. Well, we did everything this year that we wanted to do.
Yeah.
Nothing stopped us. And you'll also see us next year on Narrow Escapes, because we had the guys from there filming us for a few days, which it was great fun. Maxie thoroughly enjoyed it. She had people on the boat, which she really enjoys. I think she'll be centre of attention.
Hopefully they show all the good bits on the Maxine. And you were on it as well, aren't you, Max?
You see that moorhen then, Maxie? Spotted the moorhen. I don't know where it is next. It's gone. It's gone swimming into the side somewhere. Every time she sees one, she balances on the edge.
You fall in, Max. You alright? Come on. Try and keep up, come on.
Oh no. Did I?
No, it's high.
Oh, here comes the rain.
Right, need to get the covers inside.
Where's your brolly? Right, we'll see you later. So then it started raining. Hopefully it'll not last long. We shall see. Hat's on. Steve's got his brolly up.
That's it.
I'd like to put the other camera inside because it's not waterproof, but luckily this one is. But we're not going to bother filming very much for you because you don't want to see a load of rain. So we'll see you once it stops.
They've got their own little private pond in there. Well, it's stopped raining at the moment. We'll see how long it lasts. I just realised I wanted some of those that are on that tree. Oh, I can't.
Did you want some of them?
Yeah, it don't matter. I'll get some another day.
Stars in your eyes? Not really.
Marina just coming up here on the right hand side that does the ABC hire boats. I think it's Spring Haven or Springwood, can't remember, I'll check. And there's got a bit of Chandler here as well. We stopped 2 years ago, in fact probably a bit longer now, 3 years ago, to pick up some blacking. So Steve bought a huge big pot of blacking, which we're well and truly down now. I don't think it's been here that many years. I think it's quite a newish one. Well, we saw one of their hire boats go out. I think it went past us this morning, and they've got an electric day hire boat that we've seen out and about a couple of times. Springwood Haven Marina, as you can see up there.
ABC hire group, isn't it?
Yeah, it's ABC. And you can see they've got the hire boats here that we're just going past now. It's not got the price of diesel on there, so I can't just have a look to see what it says, but it doesn't say anything.
Washed off.
Yeah.
Ain't got the price of anything on there.
No. Got lots of boats in there. We've just been saying we can't remember how bendy this bit of the canal is. It's a bit like the Curly Whirlies again. He's watching out, aren't you, Max? Will you stop now? You're coming back this side.
Warm your leg up again.
That's it. What are you looking at? What can you see? quite quiet today.
Oh, moorhen.
Yep, Lexi spotted them. No, you're falling. You are, buddy. Sit down. Good girl.
Well, Robin, that at the top of that tree, making that noise.
Was it? It was lovely. Oh yeah, I think he's burying his nuts. More moorhens. Iconic.
Everybody films.
Yeah,
Don't they?
that's being filmed by many, many vloggers. I said I don't think anything's coming because I'm sure he would have told you if there is. I think we're just coming in towards Nuneaton now. Probably not yet. Oh, I can remember this bit.
Yeah.
You've got moorings here on the right. With a squirrel digging. Like she's crying then. Are you crying? Did you want to go and see the squirrel? You can't. She is funny. Turtle Hill moorings. Boatyard always makes us giggle when we come past it. It's looks like a scrapyard for boats, really. I think it's, I can't remember what it's called, can you? Is it straight hoe?
Hey?
Is it straight hoe? I've only seen it, might be. I might be wrong. Steve's checking in the book.
No.
No, wrong. There's a sign on the thing as we come down. I can't remember what it's called. But it's got so many boats that are in disrepair. It is unbelievable.
They must be Coventry Canal carrying something in.
Oh, right. No, it's called Charity Docks.
Right.
Charity Dock. Welcome to Charity Dock. And you've got a dry dock.
Yard, isn't
It is. It's like a scrap yard for boats. And one there for sale.
You could definitely get rid of a few,
We've got-
a bit of room.
You've got some moggy minor car up there,
Yeah.
an old van.
Somebody will want to get that. Fair part of do it all.
I don't think you can do it up, Steve. That looks knackered. It just makes me giggle.
Definitely all rammed in, aren't they?
They are. Because it goes back quite a long way as well. All the way, right the way back there. It's definitely like a scrapyard. Got chickens right over the back there as well. Next stig over there.
What? It's nice and tucked in there, I think. That's a nice one, that one.
Yeah, that's it. It's lovely. There's a very old sunken one. Weird bits there. Yes, a very, very strange place. Now we've got a long straight. We're getting closer to Hawkesbury now, though, which is good.
That's not anyway.
Hey?
That's all we're going to
I
do
was
anyway.
say, it doesn't make any difference to us. Thinking this now, I think it's 7 day up, some of it, because we moored up here when we went, because we had to go to our Janie's funeral, didn't we? That's when Mummy and Barry came and picked us up. It was the day up, your birthday, in fact. It was your 60th.
Yeah.
That was the last time we were down here. That's just about 2 years ago, isn't it?
What's the water point up there, eh? Hey? No, going into this place.
Can we get in there?
Yeah. Otherwise, that the water point down there.
I think so.
Where that lake
Yeah, it is. Yeah, because then there's a couple of moorings behind us, isn't there? Come over this side, back to us. Next minute, next go off. We're jumping off steepers.
I wouldn't look lovely, really.
Yeah. Come here, will you? Good girl. No, wait. Switch don't not that close to it.
Camera, when the camera really went in water then.
Don't jump off the X. You're going to lose. Lexi, will you come here? Steve. Lexi.
In reverse, quick. Hello.
I think it says 7 days on the side there.
What is it?
I think so. I can't see from here, but I'm sure that's. Or does it say 1 day?
7.
Brilliant. So that's it. We'll see you again soon. Steady. Go.